From Popeyes. Hold on, let me take this off for y'all.
Yeah.
So y'all can see proper like.
Need to hurry because it's getting kind of cold. I got the spicy one.
I got the classic, baby. Where you at, princess? Where you at? Push it up here. Push it up here.
Thumbnail.
Stretch that arm out here. Stretch that arm out here. Yeah, so we just got the spicy chicken sandwiches.
Well, you got classic. Yours is not spicy.
Oh, yeah, mine's ain't spicy. I got the classic, but I mean, we got the chicken sandwich.
Uh-huh.
I never tried it.
We gonna try it for the first
The craziness that everybody was craziness for. Let me see what this is hitting for. Y'all ready?
Ready?
Let's do it.
It's good.
It's good.
But there's a but.
But it wasn't something for people to go crazy over, though.
Nah.
It tastes like a big piece of Popeye chicken.
Inside of bread.
Inside of a bread. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, it is good. It's a soft bun. Chicken is, you know, it's a big piece of chicken. I ain't even gonna front. It's a big ass piece of chicken.
Uh-huh. It's good though.
Nah, it is good.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, it wasn't for all that craziness though.
Mm-mm. I got a strawberry Fanta.
That was good though.
They got the chicken sandwiches too.
Oh yeah. It is a big ass piece of chicken though. It is though. The chicken's mad good.
It is.
It's like fresh. I ain't even gonna front. It don't taste like something that was sitting there for a little bit.
But I think that's what makes it like different from all the other chicken sandwiches. It's not like hard.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
And it's like a real piece of chicken.
Yeah. I don't know. Jaylene is the chicken sandwich expert, so. How you feel? Out of all the chicken sandwiches you had?
I feel like I'm still gonna side with Wendy's.
Yeah?
Definitely.
Wendy's?
Yeah.
Wendy's.
Like, I like their spicy chicken sandwiches. But like the consistency of this one, it has like a smooth
Yeah.
type of taste. Like it's very light and buttery, but at the
Yeah.
same time it's like hearty.
Uh-huh.
I don't know, it's like weird. I don't know how to feel about it, but it is good though.
What
But,
about
yeah.
compared to Chick-fil-A?
I never had Chick-fil-A sandwich.
Huh?
I never had Chick-fil-A.
No?
No.
Everybody compares it to that. And I feel like the Chick-fil-A sandwich tastes just like the Wendy's.
It got a nice crunch to it.
Uh-huh.
No. I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I like it.
I do
Yeah, it's
too.
cool. It's good.
It's just like a Popeye chicken tender though.
It's not something I'd have been fighting over like a lot of people were doing.
No.
Somebody got killed in Texas for it.
Yeah, they bugging the fuck out.
Mm-hmm. That's crazy.
But worth it. Worth the try.
It's $3.99.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's way worth it.
It's worth the try and worth the piece. For $3.99,
You can't go wrong.
you can't go wrong.
For the size of the sandwich.
And you got it's a big ass sandwich.
Uh-huh.
It's definitely worth the $3.99. You're getting a nice big piece of chicken, you know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna count how many times you said nice big piece of chicken in this video.
Ding.
Right?
I mean, like, if you guys have to rate it out of 10, what would you give it?
Out of a 10?
Yeah.
I think it's like an 8.
Yeah.
An
I give it a,
right?
yeah. I give it an 8.
That's what I was thinking. Did they put, like, any sauce on the regular one? Or is it
Nah.
No.
It's just pickles and I think a little mayonnaise.
Oh, so this is the spicy sauce on this
Yeah.
one because it's red.
Yeah, I like it though.
Mm-hmm.
Like the pickles
it's cool.
intensify it too.
Yeah,
Mhm.
pickles is alright. And it's not like a real sour pickle.
Like McDonald's.
But yeah, y'all. There you have it. Popeyes chicken sandwich.